Introducing the Huepar W04CG laser level, revolutionizing the industry with its cutting-edge features. Get ready for a new era of environmental protection and intelligence. Say goodbye to traditional fine-tuning brackets. The all-in-one laser with fine-tuning function takes center stage. Embrace a more efficient and eco-friendly lifestyle. Experience the ultimate versatility with the W04CG. Its electric base automatically rotates 360 degrees at 3 selectable speeds. Adjust the speed according to your needs. Opt for the lowest speed when using a receiver for precise alignment, or go for higher speeds during tiling work for swift target alignment. With its advanced LCD screen design, the W04CG doubles as an angle gauge. Easily view X-axis and Y-axis angle data, ensuring precise measurements and meeting your angle requirements accurately. Being a truly smart consumer. Take control with the smart Bluetooth app and remote function. Turn on and off the laser line and pulse mode. Select the laser plane and adjust light intensity with 3 brightness levels. It's convenience at your fingertips. Say hello to the 4D laser level, equipped with 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. It tackles a wider range of project work. From sailing to tiles, this all-in-one machine has got you covered. Enjoy the best of both worlds with the self-leveling and manual functions. Let the self-leveling function do the work effortlessly, while the manual mode provides laser lines at fixed angles for more specific tasks. Need to take your work outdoors? No problem. Activate the pulse mode designed for outdoor use, with a working distance of up to 130 feet and 200 feet. With the Huepar receiver LR5RG-LR6RG, accomplish your task with ease in any environment. Reliable anti-drop ability, the durable companion that stands tall against accidents. Overmolded metal laser window with IP54 water and dust resistance withstands tough job site conditions. Whether you're a construction professional, a tiling expert, or an ambitious DIY enthusiast, the Huepar W04CG is your ultimate companion. Cut down on equipment clutter and let this powerhouse tackle any project with unmatched precision and efficiency.